Hey guys, this is Danny with Whisk Adventures. I'm going to show you how to make brown butter banana bread brownies today. They're so delicious. First, you start out with your wet ingredients. It's sugar, buttermilk, and butter. Whisk that up. Add in your eggs. Make sure that's all whisked together. Get your bananas out and smash them down. I like to use a potato masher because it works better for me. Put those into the bowl and mix that up. You're also going to add your vanilla here, but I forget to do it later. Grab a new bowl, add in your flour, your baking soda, your salt. Sift that in to make sure you don't have any lumps, and we're going to pour that into our wet ingredients and mix that up. The full recipe will be posted on my blog. You can find that link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and you can find me on all the socials. As this comes together, we are going to pour it into a sheet pan and spread it out evenly. Pop it in the oven at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. While those are cooling, I am going to mix together the icing for these. I've already browned the butter. I'm going to start with 4 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then I will pour in my 1/2 cup of brown butter and mix this up until it is a nice spreading consistency. I did add a little extra milk in here just to get it a little bit more thin. Once it is about this texture here, it's ready to go. You want to make sure your brownies are completely cool before you start spreading this on there. I just pop the whole bowl in the center and then just spread it out evenly with a spatula. I hope you try these. Comment and let me know how it goes.